Hi there. This tutorial will show you how to use our webhook to connect to thousands of other online services. This makes it possible to automate follow-up processes after each respondent completes a form. And that can save you a lot of time and effort. To demonstrate this, we already prepared a simple form that collects the name and email address of the respondent. Now we want to automatically add this respondent as a subscriber to a mailing list in Mailchimp. To do that, we will use Integromat as our automation tool. We have already started a new scenario in Integromat. First step is now to configure the Tripetto service, so your Tripetto form can be connected to Integromat. To do so, we search for Tripetto and select that. Next step is to determine the trigger. That's the beginning point of our automation scenario. In this case, you can only select Watch Responses. That will watch for new responses of your Tripetto form and execute the scenario in Integromat every time a new response is submitted. To connect your form with this Integromat scenario, you need a webhook URL. That's the URL that the Tripetto form will reach out to after each form submission. Integromat creates this webhook URL for you. You can copy that to your clipboard so we can use it to enter inside your Tripetto form. Now you switch back to Tripetto to connect your form with your Integromat scenario. To do so, open the Automate screen from the top menu bar. This will open up the Automate screen to the right of the builder. The third option over there is the webhook. Simply activate that option, and you will see you can enter the webhook URL that you want to trigger. And here you paste the webhook URL you got from Integromat. Next step is to tell Integromat which fields it can expect from your form. To do that, you switch back to Integromat. Then click Run once there to activate your scenario one time. Now it's open to receive a test entry of your form. To submit a test entry, go back to Tripetto and open the shareable link of your form from the share screen. Now simply fill out your form once. If you now switch back to Integromat, you will see the magic starting to work. The Tripetto service has noticed a new response which contains the data you just entered in your form. Now we can connect other services to this trigger. For this example, we add Mailchimp to our scenario. How you can connect to and configure services depends on which service you select. In this case, you can connect to your Mailchimp account and select the right audience. Now you can connect your form fields to the fields in Mailchimp. You see here that Mailchimp needs an email address and a name. You can drag and drop the corresponding fields from your Tripetto form into the Mailchimp fields. Now Integromat will make sure the right values are sent to the appropriate fields in Mailchimp. Your automation is now complete. To test the whole scenario, you can click the Run Once button. After that, you can submit a new entry to your form. Open the link to your form again and fill out your form. And if you now go back to Integromat, you will see the whole scenario is executed. To check if it actually worked, you can now switch to Mailchimp, and you will see there that your test correspondent is now automatically added as a subscriber. After you're done setting up your scenario, make sure you activate it in Integromat to let it work live. From then on, each new form entry will be added as a subscriber in Mailchimp. And that's how you set up a webhook connection with Integromat. There are literally thousands of services you can connect to, so the possibilities are endless. Also, check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to subscribe to our Tripetto channel. Thanks, and goodbye.